What's up, folks? On this morning update, February 16th, OPEX. So AM SPX options go off this morning, but not before PPI comes out at 8:30. So that will dictate where the SPX AM options settle. Those are the once a month big fund SPX ones. So tight overnight range 59 to 39, 20 points. 32's become a big number. So it was cleaning up singles from our bear market day. And then yesterday we left singles there starting at 32, which is interesting to me. So I'm going to watch that level. We lose that level, I think downside 18 is a good one. Possibly 92, but 74 is going to probably more than likely hold 74, 75. So that's what I would look at as a base. Upside, we get north of 66. There's nothing up above. So 5,100, as I said before, 66, 70, 51, 66, 70 is my upper echelon. That's kind of my tippy top. We're only 100 points away from that, believe it or not. So pivots today, 37, okay. I like the 32. 23, magic green lines at 15, 97, and 83. 64 upside, which is two below all-time high, 78, and then 5105. So 5100 is in the mark. What else? I don't know. So unless if PPI is good, man, I can't see how we don't just continue to rally. I mean, look at this. We dropped 100 points. That was just a flush, and then opened up here and then up, right? So this is like cat in the bathtub style downtrend. So any major dip thus far has been bought, and I don't see any reason to change that thought unless something catastrophic comes out. And as I've said before, it doesn't seem that anything economic can stop this trend. So I don't think market structure changes until we get something crazy from the outside or bond market. But something major has to rattle this market. Economic news doesn't do it. Everyone's just, this is full-blown euphoric bull market here. With the SMCI up, at 1,040 today. It's all the memes now, the people hunting short interest strikes. This has all the hallmarks of the top of a bull market. The euphoria has set in. Zero Hedge came out with something that, 2-year high on call option Google searches. So you're starting to see, I think, the last of the top here, or at least the final stages of it. Here's your daily. I mean, come on, really? And all of you remember, I mean, I'm not going to brag, but I called that low. Anyway, no, I didn't get long from it. I'm just saying I called it. Just patting myself on the back this morning. So, but look at this. I mean, tell me when, in market history that we're borderline going up 1,000 points here. In fact, that would actually be a decent number to lock. 41.25. So 51.25 would be 1,000 points from the top, from the bottom. So that's actually, I'd look at that number, to be honest. Anyway, I mean, that's insane. Here's your monthly TPO. I don't, 72 is your pivot still for the month. So, and then 57 is your last month high. So I don't know. We cleaned up this gap in 2 days, right? So we came down, we fell, we dipped, came back up. There is a small cash gap at 49.56 to 53. I wouldn't worry about that one. And then yesterday we cleaned up all the gaps. So, and now we're up. So I don't, unless PPI is terrible, I don't see how we don't rally. So again, I was saying I was looking for a 50-50 open for SPX AM options. ES is 10 higher. Dow is down 48, but NASDAQ's up 104. So there's been quite divergence between the indexes as well. So that's something to take note of. Again, this market structure will change at some point. Euro or EUO, euro coming down. 72 is held so far. I don't know. I'm holding to see. Europe is a disaster. At some point, this thing goes to zero, but I don't think it's time to short it yet. I think that they're going to try to bounce this up. But again, if PPI is low today and it's good and this rallies, this should rally as well. So we'll look at that. Keep an eye on bonds. A lot of bond auctions, I think, on the 20th, 22nd. We'll keep an eye out for that next week. But as of now, I don't see any reason to short this. So happy Friday. I'll be in and out of the room all day. And stay safe.